is pumpkin. So the plan is pumpkin soup, pumpkin soup.
3-course dinner with the soon-to-be Hamiltons.
I'd quite like to do pumpkin pie, I'd have to say.
I've never had pumpkin pie.
Me neither, that's why I wanted to do it.
I don't think I like pumpkins very much. The plan is
soup and bread.
Stuffed squash.
What are we stuffing the squash with?
What are we stuffing squash with?
Sausage meat.
Smoked bacon.
Sausage meat, bacon.
That's just a lot of pork.
We could actually put couscous in the stuff.
Yeah, I was just thinking that.
And then what are we having with it? We could get some vegetables.
Salad.
We could get some, it's potato, like wedges.
Like another form of carb.
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't really need anything else with it. I think it's quite filling.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Don't moan to me when you're hungry.
I don't think we will be hungry because we're also making enough crumble for 6 people. Well, for 8 people.
Have you got custard?
No, that's the other thing I need
I
to
said
get.
I wanted to make it.
And I said no.
Fine. So, all of that. But before we do that, we need to buy some stuff. That was
Good talk, good
That
talk.
was quite a nice pumpkin patch.
It was.
A bit,
So
bit brambly. They're a bit ugly.
It's because there's so many varieties. Look at that little one.
There are. Okay, this one gets top marks for variety. This one gets top marks for diversity.
That's good. 13 different varieties. Did we mention that?
Yeah, we
said
did.
that 6 times.
But for presentation,
It is kind of
doesn't
just
rank
like,
too high.
I mean, I don't know what a pumpkin patch should be, but it is kind of just like a field at the side of
The clouds. The clouds.
A27.
Yeah, it is just a field at the side of the
We're
A27.
just informing the
Just
viewers.
informing the viewers. Yes.
Viewer.